So guys, in a few minutes you're going to see how we went from this to this. Yeah. So hey loves, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a hairstyle you can try that will take just 10 minutes, then this video is for you. Let's get started. So we started by spraying the hair with water. Yes, so the first step is to spray the hair with water, and this will make your hair soft if you have a tough hair like mine. Yeah, so that's spraying of water will make your hair soft and easy to walk through. Yeah, so I'm just massaging the water all over my hair so it can be damp and soft. So the next thing I'm doing is that I'm going to part my hair from the back. I'm going to part it into 3 sections. So I'm starting from the back. So after parting it with that tail comb, the next step is to assemble together with a scrunchie or an elastic band. So I'm just using that to temporarily pack the back, separate it from the front part. So the next thing I'm going to do is to part the front equally from the middle. So I went in with this Eco Gel hairstyling gel. Yeah, so I'm just applying that on each of the parts, just massaging that into the hair to make it softer, yeah, and to make it lay flat. So I'm just massaging that into each of the parts. I'm doing it for the first half and I'll do this for the second half. Meanwhile, we just hit 1k. Yay! I also like to add that if you haven't subscribed to the channel at this point, please, what are you waiting for? Hit that bell, hit that notification bell, and hit the subscribe button. Like this video, leave a comment in the comment section. So next up, I'm just using that brush to brush everything together and make sure it's straight and smooth. Yeah, so I'm doing that for the back, and I'm also going to do that for the front, the 2 parts where we parted, the 2 parts. Yeah, so I'm just brushing that through and using my hand to secure it. So next thing I went in with was this gel. I'll leave the details in the description, so do check that out. So I went in with this gel just to further make that slip and lay flat and look very put together. So yeah, I just used my hand to make it flat and just organize the whole thing together. So I'm just joining it with what we have at the back, and I'm joining everything together and also brushing through. So I'm going to do that for a few seconds, just do that for a few seconds before packing everything together. Let me also add that if you have a short hair, you can as well do this. My hair is not all that short and it's not all that long. I'll just say my hair is in between at this point. So whether your hair is long or short, you can do this. Yes, so just pack it together. Make sure you brush through. Just keep brushing and make sure once you pack it together, it's very tight and secure. And yes, you're going to have exactly what you want. So I'm just further brushing that just to make sure it's very smooth. Then next up, I went in with this shoelace. So I'll be packing this hair with the shoelace. I couldn't find my scrunchie on this very day, so after searching and searching hopelessly, not finding it, just decided to go in with this shoelace, and it did the job. The most important thing is that it does the job, I beg. So I just use my hand to make it slip and to lay flat. So when we tie a band on it or a scarf on it, everything is in place and intact. So the extension I'm going to be using is this kinky straight wrap. Yeah, so this is what we have and this is what we'll be working with. So it comes with that strap, just like that. So, and also it comes with this tooth like, I don't even know what it's called, but you get the point. So I'm just like braiding my hair at the back, just so everything is organized and you know, not difficult to install the clip on, if that makes sense. So I'm just plating it together, and when I'm done plating together, I'll just, tuck it in to make it put together. Then we're going to install our extension, and that tooth-like thing that we had on the extension, we're just going to clip that into the hair that we plaited at the back. Yeah, so, and after doing that, we're just going to use that strap to wrap around it to conceal flawlessly the edges. Yeah, so there's no like demarcation and all that stuff. So I'm just using the strap to wrap around the edges to conceal it and make it look flawless and steady, intact, and beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So yeah, I'm just doing that. So we went back in with that brush again for the second time, or the third time, or the fourth time, or the fifth time. So we're just using that brush to make sure everything is intact before we wrap the hair and call it a day. Yeah, so that's what we have after brushing it and making it together. So I'm just using this my little black scarf, my favorite black scarf, to tie on the hair and make it very tight, not too tight, not the kind of tie that you seem like you're struggling for your life, if it makes sense. So yeah, I'm just using the scarf to like secure the front and make it very tight and smooth. Yeah, so that's what we're doing, and I just wrapped the extension so it doesn't get in the way. So I'm just going to let that sit for some minutes before I do the final reveal. So on this very day, I let this scarf sit on for 30 to 40 minutes, I guess. Yeah, 30 to 40 minutes. So after that, I just removed the scarf, and this is what we have, guys. Take a look at that beauty. Just take a very good look at that beauty. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you learned a thing or two from this video. If you did, let me know in the comment section. If you have questions, suggestions, or complaints or anything, let me know in the comment section. And also let me know if you'll be trying out this look. You can rock this to work, rock this to school this summer. As for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.